said his face is so clean. She just said it must, so we taking his clean. You still shit so right, they got new beat. Fuck bottle service, nigga about to sell all the 60. Security fuck with me, we brought in the beat. My bitch so thick, 38 in a G. She stuck on my head, said his face. Tell me the fuck up, I need that energy. Bitch, I'm a dog like Gizmo. I stay sipping pink and it ain't got no bitch. Nigga, my young bitch, though, I bet you get the dish from. Pull up on your block, you get served through the window and go to the pot. I got bitches working blocks, I got niggas down the pot, so that shit better stop. Got a bad little body, she get wet.
Louder.
Fuck your life, nothing like I don't know you. She called me a thot, little bitch, she was a hoe too. You thought I didn't know that you fucked on the whole crew. Feet just hit, now you expect me to hold you down. Bitch, on the way, we gon' jump. I pop in the dealers, I do know but I might keep you real if you like skin and brown. I know you heard about me, I'm the talk of the town. Jeans on the beam and the beat hold me down. She said she your queen, but she just let you down. She fucked the whole team, now you kissing her mouth. Nigga, what? Now we kicking her out.
DJ.
For the whole team, now you kissing her mouth. Nigga, what?